Today, we'll show you how to install a REESE custom trailer hitch, part number 44601. This hitch application fits the following model years of the Dodge Journey. For our purposes here today, we have a 2018 model. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. For this installation, you'll be using the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. To begin the installation, you must first lower the exhaust. To do this, fasten a hanger strap under the vehicle to act as a support. Then, spray each of the rubber exhaust hangers with soapy water or a rubber lubricant, and remove the hangers using exhaust removal pliers or your hands as needed. The number of rubber hangers may vary depending on which model year vehicle you have. Once you've removed all the rubber hangers, gently lower the exhaust down onto the hanger strap. Next, feed a spacer onto one of the provided pull wires and thread the wire onto the end of a carriage bolt. Then feed the end of the wire up through the vehicle frame rail's attachment hole and out through the access hole so the bolt hangs down. Do this on both sides and leave the wires attached, as you will feed them through the hitch later in this installation. For the next step, place your hitch on a flat surface. Using masking tape, secure the provided bevel spacers to the hitch with the thinner side toward the front of the vehicle. Make sure not to cover the hole. Taping them down helps keep them in place as you raise the hitch later in this installation. Be sure to tape a spacer to each side of the hitch before moving on. Once the spacers are taped down, raise the hitch into position, which is easier with the second set of hands. Feed the pull wires through the holes in the hitch, then push the hitch up into place so that the holes align with the bolts in the frame. From here, remove the pull wires and loosely install a bevel spacer, this time with the thinner end rearward, a conical washer, and a 1/2-inch hex nut onto each of the carriage bolts. Next, bend and insert a handle nut through the access hole on each side of the vehicle frame. Then install a 1/2-inch 13 bolt and a toothed conical washer into each nut and loosely tighten. After all the hardware has been secured, use a torque wrench to tighten the nuts on the carriage bolts to 75 foot-pounds, and torque the bolts attached to the handle nuts to 50 foot-pounds. Be sure to hold the handle nuts in place to prevent them from rotating. You can bend them out of the way if needed. After you finish torquing the hardware, use the hanger strap to help you raise the exhaust and reinstall the rubber exhaust hangers. After all rubber hangers have been reinstalled, remove the strap and you're done. This concludes the installation of a REESE custom trailer hitch on this 2018 Dodge Journey, part number 44601. For more information on this and other great REESE products, visit reeseproducts.com.